Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Go on Roku. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Go on Roku, begin by turning on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku is connected to the internet. From the home screen, scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select Streaming Channels to open the channel store. In the channel store, use the search function to find Discovery Go. Once you locate the Discovery Go channel, click on the Add Channel button to install Discovery Go on your Roku. After installation, return to the home screen and find the Discovery Go channel. Open the Discovery Go app. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, grab another device, like a computer or smartphone. Go to the Discovery Go activation website. Enter the activation code you see on your Roku screen. Select your TV provider from the list provided. Log in with your TV provider credentials. Once you complete the sign-in process, go back to your Roku. The Discovery Go app should refresh automatically. You are now ready to enjoy Discovery Go content on your Roku device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.